And welcome back. Let's get off the blocks with the news that several mouth-watering clashes will unfold at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships starting next Tuesday at the National Stadium. Among them, the Class 1 girls 100 meters and the Class 2 boys 400 meters, which take the spotlight this evening in our Champs preview with Spencer Darlington.
Holland High School's sprint prodigy Shania Douglas is the hot favorite for the Class 1 girls 100-meter title at the 5-day Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. The 18-year-old Douglas is not only the fastest local schoolgirl over the distance this season, but also the world under-20 and senior outdoor leader with a career best time of 11.06 seconds clocked at the recent Carifta trials, where she copped the under-20 sprint double. The former Mushet High standout, who also won the Class 2 and a Carifta under-17 sprint double last year, has improved her times this season, coming down from 11.50 seconds to 11.06 in the 100 meters. The event is also expected to feature the Edwin Allen pair of Alex Henry and Renicia Edwards, who made last year's Class 1 final, as well as Chevy and Shim of Immaculate Conception, Tiana Marshall of Woolmer's Girls, and Heidel's Chamonix Hazel, who also contested last year's final. TVJ track and field analyst Dwayne Extall believes that Douglas could actually break the national junior record based on the form she's in at the moment.
So it's almost a foregone conclusion that she, at 11.06, the number 5 fastest Jamaican junior in history, has her ambitions set on breaking the national junior record, which we saw Alana Reid set some years ago at 10.92 in the National Stadium. I think that is motivation enough for Shania to go out there and perform above expectation.
The Class 2 boys 400 meters brings together the defending champion Jason Pitter of Kingston College and last year's runner-up Dwayne Sharp of Calabar High, who have brought their intense rivalry into this season. Pitter has won 4 of their 5 clashes to date, but it was Sharp who turned the table to win the under-17 event at the Carifta trials just under 2 weeks ago. Pitter is the season leader with a lifetime best of 46.35 seconds to win at the Corporate Area Championship. Sharp has a personal best of 46.73 seconds, also done at the Corporate Area Championship. Jaden Campbell of Excelsior, as well as the Class 3 champion Rajiv Allison of Calabar High and bronze medalist in that event Nicholas Jones of Lacovia High, are seen as dark horses. However, Extall says Pitter and Sharp should decide the top 2 places.
But I think we're looking at 2 boys who have the potential to run under sub 46.3. And why is that important? Because if they run faster than 46.3, they'll break Christopher Taylor's championship record. I'm talking about Dwayne Sharp and Jason Pitter. Jason Pitter of Kingston College, defending champion from last year, and Dwayne Sharp Calabar, 2nd place last year. And these 2 boys have been going at it since Class 3, with Pitter finished 4th in 2024, with Sharp right behind him in 5th, and they stepped up in class last year, stepped up in a big way, getting 1st and 2nd. So those 2 are the standout.
The 2026 Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships will be held from March 24 to 28 at the National Stadium. Live and exclusive coverage can be seen on TVJ, TVJ-SN, and OneSpotMedia.com, with radio coverage on Fame 95 FM. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.